Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a mini microphone set that is absolutely perfect if you are producing any creator content, or if you are needing a microphone for interviews, or basically just wanting to capture the best audio for your videos. And this is by a company called DJI. Now, I did a lot of kind of investigating which microphone did I want. And I settled on DJI because they have a lot of unique features and I like the compact size. So as you can hear, all the audio that I am recording is being recorded through the microphone. I'm wearing it, and as you can see, it is super compact. That's one of the reasons I absolutely love this, is it is so tiny and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't stand out when wearing it, and it has multiple ways to attach it. So first off, you can have it like I have, which is just the magnetic connection point, or you can use a clip and clip it to like a hat if you wish, or you can even put like a string through it and you wear it as like a lanyard if you want to put it around some of your jewelry or something like that, make it look tailored to your outfit. Now, you are also going to get 4 different wind clips or socks with it, and they're going to come in 2 different colors. You're going to get 2 black ones and 2 of these black and gray mix. So once again, you can blend with your outfit easy. They're very easy to attach. There's basically 2 little bumps. You're going to line them up on the top of the microphone and just put them in, push it into place and pop it off. These are what you want to utilize outside. It works very, very well as far as reducing any blowing wind, which is another amazing aspect of it. Now, once you open up the box, you're going to get a nice little carrying case, which makes it great for just storing everything. It's kind of hard to see in here, but you're going to have a zipper pouch, which is great to put all the stuff in, like your cables and whatnot that you don't need to access, or your spare wind socks. Then it's got 2 little pouches on the top part that you can put more stuff into. And then you got the big open center, which is perfect for the device itself. Now, you are going to get a USB type to USB Type-C cable. This is how you can charge up the base if you wish. And then you're also going to get the little 3.5 jack here. This is if you're going to hook it up to a camera, like a DSL camera, and want to utilize that option as well. But like, I like this because it's perfect for a cell phone attachment. You have the Type-C or the Lightning cable attachment, depending on which version you get. I have the Type-C cable. It just slides right on the bottom and connects to the bottom of the phone at a 90-degree angle, which works perfect for my gimbal setup. So that way everything's nice and balanced. On the RX receiver, it does have an easy to adjust dial for gang settings. It has basically you can have it at 0, and then you can go 2 stops down or 2 stops up to your preference. Now, if you utilize the DJI Moto app, then you can justify even more settings. So it does have built into it 2 noise canceling settings. You basically have your basic setting and then your strong setting. If you connect to the device via Bluetooth, it's going to automatically be set on the strong setting, but you can adjust those through the app. You do have to load that up via the website. So you may have to tweak some of your phone settings because it is not in the Google Play Store. I'm not sure if it's in the Apple Store as far as downloading it, but it's very easy to access and install. Just have to go ahead and tweak those settings. Now, another really important aspect that I like about this thing is it has built-in audio clipping protection. So as you are recording, it's using that AI ability, and it's going to adjust the volume so that way you're not clipping off the top part of your audio, so that way it sounds absolutely perfect. That is a big thing with this product versus a lot of other competition out there, is that clipping aspect. It will save your audio, which is absolutely amazing. I love that aspect of it, and it sounds really, really good. It has a nice, rich sound to it. As you can see, the case here is nice and compact. There is a Type-C port on the back. That's how you're going to charge it up. You're going to have 4 little lights on the front. That's going to give you an idea how much battery life is in here. Give you an idea of the battery. If you're utilizing the case, you're going to get 40 hours of battery charge out of this. Each little microphone is going to get you about 3 to 3.5 hours of continuous record time before you have to charge it. Put it in here about 5 minutes. It's going to get you an hour. Takes a couple hours to fully charge up the batteries, which is another nice aspect of it. The case stores everything you need. So you're gonna have your two TX receivers, and then you're gonna have your RX in the middle. Off to the side is where you're gonna put your little adapter for the Type-C connection if you are utilizing that. I am recording just in basically the monotone, which will go ahead and transfer out the audio as need to. If you wish to record in stereo, you can have both of them on either side and it will automatically switch to the stereo mode if you wish. As you can notice, the light just turned on. So now I'm recording out of both mics. So you probably just noticed the audio is going to sound a little bit different in this part of the video. There is a sync button here in case you do ever have issues with syncing. It does sync and connect automatically to the devices once you are paired to your device with the RX. So that is a nice aspect. It does have a power button, but if you ever have issues, you can hit that sync button. As you can see, here is the little magnetic, nice strong magnetic. So it holds very, very easy, very comfortable to wear. You also have the little clip. So if you do want to clip it to your hat, for example, you can have it on either side of your hat or either side of the collar, either in monotone or in stereo if you wish. So very, very easy to utilize, but absolutely love how compact they are. Absolutely sounds amazing. Love the AI features that it has built into it to make sure your audio is sounding absolutely the best that it can sound. So overall, if you are looking for a great wireless mic, I think DJI here has a really, really great product. The Mic Mini is amazing. So overall, if you are in the market for one, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.